In this demo, we will be showing how the DiaQuest Production Link plugin can be used to export Assimilate Scratch renders to Avid Interplay and ISIS using DNX HD codec and full Avid MXF op-atom files. First, we enter our project and select the construct that we want to render out. Then we can select Insert, and among all the plugins you have available, you have the DiaQuest SPA plugins, and within that plugin set is the Avid Interplay plugin. We select that, then we have to select where the render is going to go. Select the ISIS folder by clicking on the button here. The ISIS folder is separate from the Scratch folder because it's managed by the Avid database. Once we have selected it, we are ready to go. Back in the project, select the range you want to render out and click on Process Range. This will bring up the DiaQuest Production Link dialog, which allows you to navigate the Interplay bin structure. If this is the first time using the plugin, or if for some reason you need to change any of the plugin settings, if you click on the Preference button, it'll bring up the plugin preferences. From here, you can set up the Interplay username, password, workgroup, and Interplay IP address. You can also add a valid Production Link license here. The board number is a unique identifier that is used to generate the unique 20-character authentication key. If you are interested in running the plugin in a demo mode to try it out, click on the box at the bottom of the window. In this mode, you can test out the settings, but you are unable to render out a clip. Once you have your preferences set to what you like, click the OK button to return to the Production Link plugin window. On the left-hand side, we have the Interplay bin structure. As you can see, we support the use of international characters. On the right side, we have a listing of all the clips in the selected bin. If we select a bin from the left-hand side, in this case, the Premiere bin, which is nested inside the 1080i bin, we will see a listing of all the clips in that bin on the right-hand side. To save the render to this bin, we need to click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Production Link has a system in place to prevent overwriting of files. In this case, the name that we have for our render is not unique, so we are given a few options. Clicking Yes will automatically pick and append a unique string of text to the name of the file. Clicking No will automatically append the date and time to the file. Clicking Cancel will allow you to return to the previous screen and make our own unique name. For this demo, we are going to pick Yes and have it append a unique string of text to our file name. Now that the name is unique, clicking Save again will kick off the render. A terminal window will open up that shows you the activity as the plugin renders out the frames of video and audio and puts it all into the ISIS and then into the Interplay system. It's a rather quick process. Now that we have completed our render with the Production Link plugin, we can now switch over to our Interplay Access to verify that the render is in the system. You will need to first refresh our Interplay Access so that the new render that we just did, RGBL, shows up as one of the clips in the system. If I select that, I can take a look at the properties. I can see that the metadata is there, and with this test render, since I only render video, I can only take a look at the properties for the video track. I can even see where the file is located. It's all there in the Interplay system. Now, to make use of the new file, I am going to switch over to Media Composer. I've already created a project in Media Composer to work with. To bring this new file into our project, we just need to drag and drop from the Interplay Access program directly into Media Composer. It's that simple. In the Media Composer app, I can double-click on the clip we just added in the bin and it will appear in the preview window. From there, I can drag that clip into the timeline. If it's in our timeline, you can scrub the timeline and preview the clip. You can also render the clip. It is now a clip inside of Media Composer. After completing this render, if you want to be able to render again, you need to use the bin All. This concludes our demo of Production Link, a plugin that allows a seamless flow from Assimilate Scratch to Avid Interplay and Avid Media Composer. For more information, including an FAQ on Production Link for Scratch, please visit our website at diaquest.com.